check. So now I can turn on and turn off the device by using the LAN mode. Yeah, it's got connected now. So I can also turn on and turn off the device. Okay Google, turn on the bulb. About the Wi-Fi switch operation. So this is a Wi-Fi switch we are going to see today. So by using the Wi-Fi switch, we are going to control the electrical appliances by using the mobile application. So by using the mobile application, we can control the electrical appliances by using this Wi-Fi switch within the home. Without internet also we can control within the home, and with the internet we can control from anywhere from the world. And also by giving the voice command also via Google Home or Alexa, we can control the appliances by using this Wi-Fi switch. So let you check I will do the demo how it will work, how it will be working. So first of all, I am connecting the lamp to the power supply via Wi-Fi switch. Okay, the lamp is connected to the power supply via Wi-Fi switch. Both the line and neutral is given to the input, and both the line and neutral is taken from the output. So it is not like the relay. Both the line and neutral connections are given input to the switch, and also both the line and neutral are taken from the output from the switch. Okay, and then we have to use the mobile application, a generic mobile application that is called EV-Link. So this is a generic mobile application. This mobile application can work with any brand of switch. So I'm just opening the mobile application. As you can see, I already paired the switch here. So this is how the switch is paired. I just opening the settings and going to turn on the Wi-Fi. So by turning on the Wi-Fi, now it is in the LAN mode. I am not turning on the data, I am just turning on the Wi-Fi. So now it is in the LAN mode. So in the LAN mode, I can operate the bulb from within the house in the Wi-Fi range. So I am just turning on the lamp now. So as you can see, the lamp is turned on. And if I want to turn off the lamp, I can turn off the lamp. And as you can see, this is the LAN mode. So the internet is not there. So for example, I just opening the Google. I just opening the Google page and searching some content. So you can see the page is opening. So the internet is there. So now I will turn off the internet in the hotspot device. So I am just turning off the internet in the hotspot device. As you can see, now I am just searching something in the Google. So now it will not open because the internet is turned off. So only the LAN is there. So now I am going to open the application. I am going to turn on the lamp, and lamp will turn on. So this is called LAN mode. So without internet, it is called LAN mode. So you can see it's in LAN mode. LAN mode means local area network. So within the house, within the Wi-Fi range, we can turn on and turn off the internet. So this is called LAN mode. So by using the internet also we can operate. So the internet can be given to the device by using two way. One is by turning on the internet in the router. So now I am going to turn on the internet in the router. So the internet in the router is turned on. Let me check whether it is turned on or not. Yes, it is turned on. So by using the internet, now we are going to control. So now by using the internet, we are going to control. We can turn on and turn off. Okay, let me check. I will turn off the Wi-Fi. Okay, so now the Wi-Fi is turned off, so it will not get controlled. And now I am going to turn on the data. So now the data is turned on. So internet connectivity is given, but Wi-Fi connectivity is not there. It means my mobile device in some other place, it is not in the home. So I am going to control the lamp from some other place. Okay, so only the data is turned on, and I am now just checking to turn on and turn off the lamp. So I am also able to control the lamp using the internet from anywhere from the world. So this is a remote operation. This turn on and turn off is the remote operation by using the data connection. So now I am removing the data connection, and also I am removing the internet. So internet is also removed. So internet is also removed. So now, as you can see, I am in offline. So now I can turn on and turn off the device by using the LAN mode. Okay. So now we are going to check the device by using the another method, that is by using the voice command from the Google Assistant. So we need to configure the device in the Google Home. So first we need to configure the device in the Google Home. So here you can see the device is configured as bulb, and from the Google Home also I can turn on and turn off, but for that we need the internet. So I'm just turning on the internet, turning off the Wi-Fi. So internet connection is given. So now I'm going to turn on the lamp and turn off the lamp by using the Google Home application. So the data should be turned on for device, and also the data should be turned on for mobile. So in the mobile I have turned on the data. For the device I also turned on the data in the router. So now I should be able to check it after the connection is getting completed. So now I am trying to turn on the lamp and turn off the lamp. Still the connection is getting connected. So let me check now. So now the internet got connected. Now it should work. So let me check. So turning off and turning on the device. Yeah, so it's got connected now. So I can also turn on and turn off the device by using the Google Home application. So this is the Google Home application. By using the Google Home application also I am now able to turn on the device and turn off the device. Okay, so now it is connected to Google Home also. So instead of this we can also give the voice command. Let me check. Okay Google, turn on the bulb.
Okay, turning the bulb on.
So I can also able to give the voice command. Okay Google, turn off the bulb.
Okay, turning the bulb off.
So as you can see, the Google also able to turn on and turn off the bulb, and I am also able to turn on from here and turn off from here instead of voice command. So multiple ways of controlling the appliances by using the smart Wi-Fi switch is possible. So by using the internet we can turn on and turn off by using the EV-Link app, and also by without using the internet we can turn on and turn off by using the Wi-Fi LAN connection, and also by using the Google Home we can control. Here I am using the Google Assistant. You can also use the Google Home device to control the appliances, and also you can use the Google Assistant in your mobile application to control the appliances by giving the voice command, or directly by pressing the button, or directly by typing the text also you can turn on the bulb. So for example, if I want to turn on the bulb by using the text command, I can just open the Google So, and I can type it here. And turn on the bulb. And also by giving the typing, by typing the text also, I can turn on the bulb and turn off the bulb by using the Google Assistants. Thank you.